guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I created this natural prom makeup look, and if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so to start off my makeup, I am going to go ahead and again use the Fenty primer. I pretty much go ahead and use the same steps, so if you want to skip over this and just get to the eye look, then skip through. So I go ahead and prime all over my face. Then I go in with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I'm going to go ahead and start my eyeshadow. So I will be using my Tarte Shape concealer and just putting that on my eyelids. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids. I will be using Airspun today. I'm using the Morphe M330. Okay, and now I'm going to be going in for this prom makeup. I will be using my Morphe 35V. I haven't really played with it, so let's see what I create for this prom. And it looks like this. It's really pretty and colorful. So I'm going to be taking this light brown right here. And I'm just going to be taking my Morphe M441 and that color as my transition. Darker brown, and I'll be using the color next to it. It sucks because these palettes don't have like their names. So I'm going in with the Luxie 249 brush. Now I am going to go ahead and go in with this color, and I'm going to get my Morphe M433 brush and put that a little bit towards the outer. So now I'm thinking about doing like a glitter, and I really am digging this color right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease halfway. And the brush I will be using is a Vanity Planet brush, so it doesn't have a name on it. Okay, once I cut the crease halfway, I'm going to go ahead and set it back again with the Morphe Airspun and set the concealer. Okay, so once that is set, I'm going to go ahead and pat the shimmer. I think I'm going to do it with my finger. So look how pretty this is. So this is what it is looking like so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and fix the outer corner. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add some liner. We'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. It's really good. Okay, I didn't want to do a wing eyeliner because I still want to be natural but still glammed up at the same time. So now we are going to move on with my foundation, and I wear the Makeup Forever HD foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it and I will get back to y'all after I'm done. Okay, so now that my foundation is all done, I am going to go ahead and put concealer. I will be using for concealer, I'm going to try out the Makeup Revolution concealer. I got a lighter color because the one I was using was like the same as my foundation shade. So let's see if this color works. This one's C3. I'm going to use my Morphe Beauty Blender and blend all that out. Okay, so now I'm going to set the concealer in place, and I will be taking my Airspun. A big kabuki brush and just putting a lot of powder all over my face and just patting it. Once that is all done, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. I will be using the Kat Von D shade+light, and I'm just going to use this middle color to bronze up my face. I will be doing the bottom eyeshadow. Okay, once that is done, I am going to use the Morphe setting spray and just spray that all over my face. We'll be using the Anastasia times Amrezy, and I go in with my Morphe M510. Okay, so I just put on lashes off camera. I use the Ardell and Demi Wispies, my Kat Von D, and I will be using the Morphe E4 brush. Then I am going to add some lipstick. So I will be using Spice. It's a matte lipstick in the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to put the Fenty Beauty gloss on top. I think I'm going to add some more spray. Okay, and this is my completed makeup look for Prom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below video suggestions. That way I can know what you guys want to see more. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.